Today we are evaluating the order of operations expression 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3, and we will apply standard algebraic priority rules to simplify the string. First, we identify the operational hierarchy for the string. Because all operations are division, they share the exact same priority rank. When the operators share equal priority, calculate strictly from left to right, starting with the first pair on the far left. Perform the division on the far left. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Replace the first block with 1, updating the running expression to 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. And moving from left to right, the next operation is 1 divided by 3. Write this operation as the fraction 1/3. This updates our running expression to 1/3 divided by 3. Perform the final division step, 1/3 divided by 3. Dividing by 3 is mathematically equivalent to multiplying by its reciprocal, which is 1/3. This transforms the expression into 1/3 multiplied by 1/3. And now we can multiply the numerators across. 1 times 1 is 1. And now we can multiply the denominators across. 3 times 3 is 9. This gives us the final solution of 1/9.